In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish a page in Confluence. Publishing is the step that takes your work from a private draft to something your teammates can actually see, comment on, and collaborate with. So in this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the full flow, from choosing the right page to confirming that it's live and visible. First, make sure you're logged into your Confluence workspace and that you're in the right space or project area. From the left-hand sidebar or your recent pages list, select the page you want to work on. If you've been editing a draft, open that page so you're looking at it in the editor view. Take a moment to quickly scan the content. Check your headings, text, images, and links, just to be sure everything looks the way you want it to appear once it's published. Once you're happy with the content, look towards the top right corner of the screen. In the Confluence editor, you'll see a button labeled Publish. Sometimes, especially on smaller screens, this button may be partially collapsed into a menu or appear with 3 dots next to it. If that's the case, click on the menu and then choose the option that says Publish with the ellipsis at the end. This opens the publishing options, which lets you review things one last time before you commit. Here, double-check any key details like the page title and the space where the page will live. This is also a good moment to quickly think about who needs access. If your Confluence setup uses permissions, make sure the page is in the right space or under the correct parent page, so the right people can view it. If your organization uses labels or tags, you can also confirm those are set correctly to help teammates find the page later. When everything looks correct and you're ready to make the page visible, click on the Publish button again. This final click is what actually saves your draft as a live page. Confluence will process the change, and within a moment, you'll be taken out of the editing view and shown the published version. After it's live, scroll through the page as your readers would. Confirm that the formatting looks good, that images load properly, and that any links are working. If you spot something that needs fixing, you can always click Edit, make your changes, and publish again. And that's all there is to it. By selecting your page, choosing the Publish option, and confirming with the final Publish button, you've successfully shared your work with the rest of your team in Confluence.